Hey brother, do you know what the stock market is? Yeah, of course, it's kind of like where you trade companies and then you can make some money from your own money. Kind of like trading vegetables from what I heard. When people first hear about the stock market, its potential and what you can do with it, it spikes their curiosity. Then they start dabbling into it, researching things online, and then they wonder where to go. Where do you really start to learn and hone in on the market if you're really serious? Now again, I don't preach you learning the stock market unless you're really dedicated and serious, because it's a brutal business. But what happens is people start dabbling, researching things online, and they don't know where to go after a certain point. You hit plateaus. One of the best recommendations that I can do is start with a mentor. Find somebody that you can relate to, someone that you kind of adjust to their trading system, to their trading style, that you can connect with, someone that you can clearly understand, and someone that's looking to teach and educate you, and then hone in on them. Do what they do and learn from their system and create your own system and create your own trading style behind that. Because again, you have to do things on your own and do things that work for you. Not every person is going to match up exactly to you, but a mentor will be able to help spot where you're struggling with. They might have had those same issues in the past, and they might be able to push you over that edge much quicker and get you to that next level. Otherwise, you might have a long span of time of 10 years of learning, whereas a mentor can condense that span of time into maybe a year or two. So who knows how fast you can accelerate your learning, but a mentor is one of the quickest ways to get you to learn how to properly trade effectively, consistently, and profitably. Now, one of my personal favorite ways to learn or study the stock market, and what I found helpful in my years over the last 10 or 12 years or so, is to learn through video courses. And even I have some video courses of my own that I've created, such as this one, Understanding the Stock Market, Creating Your Own Trading System, Stock Trading Fundamentals and Foundation, and even Trader Transformation. So I love teaching, I love helping and contributing back, and video courses might be one of the better ways to learn because you get to really see a lot of the energy behind what's happening. People will even share the screen with you at times and all kinds of other material. It's more than just one sense of reading with your eyes and trying to figure things out. You're also getting some things that you get to see in terms of the visual diagrams of what's happening. You get to hear what's going on and then interpret and dissect that. Now, the thing about video courses is they can be a little bit more expensive. But if you don't have the financial capital to spend them on some video courses, then you might want to go out and grab some books. And you don't need a ton of books, you only need a handful of really good ones. And some of my favorite ones are the William O'Neill How to Make Money in Stocks. It's a very good book, has 100 different charts of very successful companies over the last 100 years. The other one in conjunction with that is How to Make Money in Stocks, the Getting Started edition, also a pretty good book. And finally, the Tom O'Brien's Timing the Trade. Very good hardcover book that shows you a lot of different charts and how to properly read quality volume. So those are just some of the books that I would personally recommend. And you know, with $50 to $100, you can probably pick all those books up, and they would be a lot of good information if you're willing to put the time and effort into it. Now remember, with all these materials, whether it's a book or a video or DVD courses, you're really just trying to replicate or replace kind of a mentor. And then you have to digest and dissect all the information yourself to create your own trading system. But a lot of it is a lot of work. So be prepared to put the time and energy into doing a lot of homework. So I find that that's the quickest route to be able to learn how to trade on the stock market, or really to be able to learn anything for that matter. So number one, grab a mentor. Number two, maybe do something visual like a video course or even attend a seminar. Number three, pick up a great book such as How to Make Money in Stocks. And remember that in the end, you really have to do the homework. And sometimes you gotta do what you have to do now, so that way you can do what you want to do later. I'm Sasha Evdokov, thanks for watching, and remember, if you like this video, share it with your friends, or check out my website, TRADERSFLY.com, where I have a lot of more resources along with some very detailed courses that you can dig deeper and in detail about stock trading and how to trade consistently. Thanks again, and if you have some trading questions, feel free to fill out the contact form or write your questions below, and I'll try my best to answer them.